Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. A significant transformation is underway across Latin America, shifting the region from a primary importer to a burgeoning hub for medical device manufacturing. This past week, multiple reports have highlighted an acceleration in local production capabilities, particularly in key markets like Brazil, Mexico, and Costa Rica. For years, the narrative was about navigating import regulations. Now, the conversation is shifting to the complexities and advantages of manufacturing within LATAM itself. This change is driven by a desire for supply chain resilience, cost advantages, and strong government incentives aimed at fostering domestic innovation. We are seeing a clear trend of both local startups and multinational corporations exploring in-country manufacturing. Take, for example, a hypothetical case of a mid-sized US company specializing in diagnostic imaging components. They see the massive market potential in Brazil, but are facing significant import tariffs and logistical delays. The question they are grappling with is no longer just how to get their product registered with ANVISA, but whether they should establish a local assembly or manufacturing plant. This involves a completely different set of strategic challenges. They must navigate local quality management system requirements, find qualified local suppliers, and understand the nuances of labor laws, all while still meeting ANVISA's rigorous technical standards for finished products. This is a high-risk, high-reward gambit. Success in this new landscape requires a deep, granular understanding of the local regulatory environment. It is not enough to simply translate a technical dossier. Companies must engage with the specifics of each country's manufacturing guidelines. In Brazil, this means aligning with ANVISA's good manufacturing practices, which have their own unique interpretations compared to FDA or EU standards. In Mexico, navigating COFEPRIS requirements for local production facilities can be a complex process that demands strong local partnerships. The companies that succeed will be those that integrate regulatory strategy into their manufacturing plans from day one, not as an afterthought. They understand that building a factory and getting a product approved are two sides of the same coin in Latin America's evolving medtech scene. For any company looking to understand and capitalize on these manufacturing trends, expert guidance is essential. To learn more about navigating these opportunities, you can email or visit Pure Global.